दिस इज सेक्शन बी। हम देखते हैं कि सेक्शन बी में हम ऐसा क्या और कितना कर सकते हैं कि जिससे हमें कुछ मार्क्स मिल सकें। तो द क्वेश्चन इज 21. Two numbers are in the ratio 2:3. Their LCM is 180. What is the HCF of these numbers? So whenever we are given the ratio, जब ratio दिया है तो we'll take, this is first number is 2x and this is second number is 3x. जब भी इस तरह का रेशियो दिया है, रेशियो इज गिवन, यू हैव टू टेक द फर्स्ट नंबर 2x एंड सेकंड नंबर इज 3x. You can also write LCM is 180 degree, sorry 180, not degree, 180, and SCF we have to find. SCF हमें निकालना है. तो आप इसमें एक काम और कर सकते हैं कि एक जो फॉर्मूला है SCF into LCM is equal to प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर्स. ये लिख दीजिए. यहाँ पर SCF हमें नहीं मालूम. LCM is 180 and product of numbers. The numbers are 2x and 3x. अगर इसे सॉल्व करेंगे then you will get the SCF. I am solving it here. Now SCF into 180 is equal to 2 into 3 is 6x square. Here SCF, we can find out the SCF from these two numbers. First number is 2x, second number is 3x. So SCF is the common factor. So in place of SCF, we can write x is into 180 is equal to 6 into x into x. Now we can cancel this x and this x. We will left with 180 is equal to 6x or 6x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 6, which is 30. So in this way, the first number will be 2x means 60 and 3x means 90, and the HCF is the value of x, which is, here you can write HCF is 30. HCF is 30. This is the answer. 30 is the HCF. Now question number 22. If one zero of the polynomial px is reciprocal of the other, then find the value of k. To get marks in this question, first of all, we will identify the value of a, b and c. So the standard form of the polynomial px is ax square plus bx plus c. So now compare, in place of a we have 6, a is 6, b, in place of b we have 37, right, 37, and in place of c, this is c, in place of c we have minus bracket k minus 2. So this is the recognition of the terms of the coefficient of ABC here. Then 1 0, the word you can see 1 0, and you have to find the value of a. So you can write alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and also alpha into beta is equal to c by a. If you write this much, you will get half marks at least for it. Question number 23. Find the sum and product of roots of quadratic equation this. So if you are solving part A, question 23, then at least identify the value of a, b, c. 2x square minus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. So the value of a is 2, this is a. This with sign is b, minus 9, and c is this plus 4. So first of all, identify the value of a, b and c. Then find the sum and product of the roots. So then use this formula. Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. Put the value of minus b, minus sign, and b is also negative. So write minus 9 upon a is 2. You get minus into minus 9 is positive 9 by 2. Then alpha into beta is equal to c by a. The value of c is 4. The value of a is 2. You cancel, you get 2. So if you solve, you get 2 marks for this question. If we solve question number 23b, so here again this is a quadratic equation. 4x square minus 5 is equal to 0. First of all, write this equation in standard form. Standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is 4x square. In place of x, or the coefficient of x is 0, so we write plus 0x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now identify the term. The value of a is 4. The value of b is this, means 0, and the value of c is this with sign minus 5. Now find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So d discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Put the values. B is 0, minus 4 into a is, this is the a, and this is c into minus 5. So here we get d is equal to minus 4 into minus 4 is minus 16, and minus 16 into minus 5 is plus 80. Now the nature of roots of the equation. Since d is greater than 0, therefore roots are real and distinct. If a fair coin is tossed twice, so the possible outcomes, first of all write all the possible outcomes. The possible outcomes. When a fair coin is tossed 2 times or twice, the possible outcomes will be TT, HH, TH or HT. Now find the probability of getting at most one head, means maximum one head we want. So favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes will be maximum one head. So maximum one head means this one, and this one. We cannot take this because it has two head. We want only one head. So it will be TT, TH and HT. Now write the formula. Probability of, here you can see at most, probability of getting at most one head. So this you have to write probability of at most one head. Probability of at most one head is number of favorable outcomes upon all possible outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes are 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2 and 3, and the all possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the solution for question number 24. Question number 25th A. Evaluate cos square 60 degree, sec square 30 degree, 45 degree and these. So first of all, in this question number 25A, you make table of angles from 0 to 90 degrees. So 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Here sine is 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Cos theta is reverse the order, means this one will come here, this will come here second place, 1 by root 2 in the middle, 1 by root 2 and this is at fourth place and 0 at last. Then tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. 0 divided by 1 is 0. Half divided by root 3 by 2. So here this will be cancelled and we'll left with 1 by root 3. Now 45 degree root 2 will be cancelled and we'll left with 1. Then 60 degree 2 will be cancelled, we'll get root 3 and here 1 divided by 0 is infinity. To get the value of cot, we don't want cot in our question, but still you can write cot theta is just reverse the order, infinity root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. Now we want sec. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So here I am rubbing this one because we don't want this and I am writing sec theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So if you do the reciprocal of 1, it is 1. Root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 is root 2. 1 by 2 is 2 and 1 by 0 is infinity. Now put all these values of these angles. So here we have 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree upon sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Now here 5 cos square 60 degree. Cos square 60 degree is 1 by 2. So write 1 by 2 square plus 4 sec square 30 degree. Sec square 30 degree is 2 by 3, but square we have to use here, minus tan square 45 degree. So tan 45 is 1 and the square of 1 is 1. So write 1. In denominator it is sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So sin square 30 degree, sin 30 is 1. So we can write 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square 30 degree. Cos square 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. We'll solve it here now. So 5 into 1 by 2 square is 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4 plus 4, no denominator, so we can write 1 plus into 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3 minus 1 upon 1 by 2. 1 square is 1 and square of 2 is 4 plus square of root 3 is 3 and square of 2 is 4. Here it is 5 5 into 1 is 5 by 4 plus 4 into 4 is 16 by 3. This is minus 1 by 1, and in denominator it is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. It is 1 plus 3 by 4, or you can write 1 by 1. So to get marks in this question number 25th A, you have to make table just right side of the answer sheet on the same page where you are starting, going to start or solve the question. Then you have to write the question, you have to put the values and solve as it is solved, the number of steps you can do correctly. If you can do more, if you can do more or correct solution till the end, it's good, it's better. Otherwise you can just do till here. If you want to solve this question number 25b, you can get marks in this question too. So here we have a and b are acute angles such that sine a minus b is 0. So we are given sine a minus b is 0. So just think that which angle of sine gives 0. So sine 0, if you know the trigonometric table, then you can say that sine 0 degree is 0. So sine 0 degree is 0. So if both sides we have sine, so these angles are also equal. A minus b is 0. This is the first equation. Similarly, here we have 2 cos a plus b minus 1 is equal to 0. So I am shifting minus 1 to right hand side. It will be 1 cos a plus b is equal to 1, and this 2 which is in multiplication with cos a plus b will go in denominator. Now just think half is the value of cos 60 degree. So both side we have cos. So this is a plus b is 60 degree. Now here we have two equation. Here you can write a is equal to b. A minus b is 0 means a is equal to, just shift minus b to right side, a is equal to b. Now a plus in place of b you put a is equal to 60 degree. 2a is equal to 60 degree. A is equal to 60 by 2, which is 30. So both the angles are, therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 60 degree. If you solve the simplest part or the simple steps of questions 21 to 25, you will easily get marks in this section. All the best.